Have you ever looked at price pulling back during a trend and thought, this might be the perfect spot to open a trade? Well, that's the whole idea behind the ABC trading strategy, also known by some traders as the 1-2-3 strategy. It's a simple yet powerful price action concept that helps you catch trades during pullbacks in trending markets. And in this video, I'll break down exactly how this pattern works, how you can spot it, and how an indicator on TradingView can automatically detect these ABC setups for you. Plus, I'll show you a really accurate strategy built around it that can help you trade with more confidence. So, leave a like on this video and let's get into it. All right, so what exactly is this ABC pattern? It's based on the natural wave structure of the market. Price moves in pushes and pullbacks like waves. In an uptrend, we first see a low point, which we label as A. Then the market moves higher and creates a high. That becomes point B. After that, price pulls back again, but doesn't fall below point A. The lowest point of that pullback is point C. Now, the idea is simple. If the price starts pushing back up from point C, it's likely that the trend will continue, and this becomes a high probability entry zone. Traders will often wait for confirmation that the pullback has ended, like a bullish candle at C point or confluence from another indicator, before entering a buy position. The same concept flips in a downtrend. We start with a high of the market marked as A, followed by a downward move creating a low, that's B. Then price pulls back upwards but doesn't break above point A. The pullback stops at C, and from there we're watching for signs that price might resume dropping. If momentum shifts back to the downside from C, that's our opportunity for a sell trade. This strategy is all about trading with the trend, not against it. You spot the main trend, wait for a pullback, and look to enter when the trend resumes. This strategy works great for both aggressive and conservative traders. Some traders enter at point C as soon as they see bullish signals or candlestick patterns. But the safer play, and the one I personally recommend, is waiting for a breakout above point B in an uptrend, or below point B in a downtrend. That breakout confirms that the market has resumed its previous direction. This method offers tighter entries and more controlled risk. Now, let's add an indicator that will lay out this exact pattern on the trading chart to make it easier for us. There's an indicator on TradingView that can automatically spot ABC patterns on your chart.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
Just open up your Indicators tab. You can do that from here and search Trading ABC. You're looking for the one coded by Lonesome. Once you add it to your chart, you'll notice it overlays the ABC patterns directly on price, super helpful for visual traders. This indicator also comes with a trend cloud that helps you quickly identify whether the market is trending up or down. It uses a mix of simple and exponential moving averages to build this cloud. If the cloud is green, the trend is up. We're only looking for buy setup. If the cloud is red in color, it's a downtrend, and we only look for sell trades. The cloud gives you a quick trend filter, so you're always trading with the dominant direction. You'll also notice small triangles that show buy and sell signals, but I suggest ignoring those. They can be inconsistent. Instead, use the cloud to identify the trend and the ABC pattern to find pullbacks. Then, rely on price action or your own confirmation tools to time your entry. Remember what we said earlier. The best entry is when price breaks above point B in a bullish pattern. For example, if we get a candle close above that level, that's your confirmation to open a buy position. You can set your stop loss below the most recent swing low and aim for a reward at least 1.5 times your risk. Or you can go for even more. That depends on you. You'll find this gives you cleaner entries with stronger momentum on your side. Now, real quick, let's talk settings. Once you add the indicator to your chart, hit that little gear icon. Under the Inputs tab, you'll see the Trend Cloud section. It's built using a combo of moving averages, You've got both SMA and EMA values there, and they control how the green or red cloud reacts to price. You can tweak them to make the cloud more responsive or smoother, depending on your trading style. Lower values equal faster reactions. Higher values equal smoother trends. You can also turn off the buy-sell triangles. They're not super reliable, so I usually keep them disabled. The real value is in the ABC labels and the cloud. Everything else you can leave on default unless you're testing custom setups. Simple, clean, and effective. You can also bring in other indicators to support your trade decision. One solid choice is the parabolic SAR. It's a momentum-based tool that helps confirm when momentum is shifting. You can add this indicator by opening the Indicators tab again and adding it from here. Now you can search for parabolic SR, it's built in. After this indicator is applied on the trading chart, you'll see small dots appear above or below price. When the dots flip below the candles, it signals upside momentum. When they flip above, like here, it suggests downside pressure. So here's how to use this indicator with the ABC pattern indicators to create an amazing strategy. Once you spot an ABC setup and price starts moving up from point C, just like we can see it is doing over here, wait until the dots flip below the candles. That confirms momentum is shifting bullish, and it's a good time to enter. So for example, we would have opened a buy trade over here. For the stop loss, we can go just below the swing low, and for the take profit, use a 1-2 risk to reward ratio. Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine we have a bullish ABC pattern forming during an uptrend, and the cloud is green. Price pulls back to form point C, and then a few candles later, we see a bullish candle close above point B. At the same time, the parabolic SAR dots flip below the price. This gives you 3 strong confirmations: a valid ABC pattern, a trend filter from the cloud, and a momentum signal from SAR. That's your trade. You can confidently enter a buy position, the stop loss goes below the swing low, and you target a 1:2 risk to reward. The strategy is pretty simple to understand and implement, but it is very accurate at the same time also. Same logic applies in a bearish scenario. Let's say the cloud is red and we get a clean ABC pattern during a downtrend. Price rallies up to form C and then starts to reverse. As soon as a candle closes below point B and the parabolic SAR flips with dots appearing above the price, that's your sell entry signal. Stop loss goes above the swing high, and again you aim for double the risk in reward. Now let's be real, this strategy won't win 100% of the time. No trading strategy does. There will be false signals, there will be losses, and that's exactly why proper risk management is key. You need to use a risk management strategy that protects you from large drawdowns and helps you stay in the game long term. That's it for this breakdown. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I always try to reply as soon as I can. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching the video. Till the end, I'll see you guys in the next video.